Hi friends, I'm Subhashri and welcome to this channel. Today is a very special vlog. On 17th of May, my father-in-law's birthday, and so for that, as we are living in different states, we are planning to celebrate through virtually. And for that virtual birthday celebration, we have thought to prepare a surprise video. This is the surprise video we are making for that. And in this video, I will be cooking his favorite food, and that's Puran Poli. Actually, I'm going to cook it for the very first time, and this is a Gujarati style of Puran Poli. In Gujarat, Puran Poli is made with tuar dal, which is the yellow lentils or the pigeon peas, and it is made with whole wheat flour and in a very small shape. So I will be trying this for the very first time on the occasion of his birthday. So let's get started. Puran Poli is also known as Vedmi or Gali Rotli in Gujarati, and it requires very simple ingredients. Let me show you them. So the simple ingredients which we require are whole wheat flour or atta, yellow lentils, which is also known as the pigeon peas, tuar dal, and jaggery or gur. If you want, you can also have sugar, and we have taken some cardamom, whose powder we require, cardamom powder, elaichi powder, and the most essential ghee, a little bit of oil, water, and a pinch of salt. So with this simple ingredient, let's start making Puran Poli. At first, we have to wash this dal and soak it for near about 30 minutes. So I have washed this properly. Now we'll soak it for 30 minutes. While it's soaking, let's make the dough. Okay. We'll take atta, and in that I will add little bit salt, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. We'll add water gradually and make a very soft dough. So I have kneaded the dough. You have to knead a very soft dough, okay? And we'll add just few drops of oil. Grease it properly. Just all over it. Okay, and we'll cover this with a cotton cloth and keep it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Everything is soaking and resting. Let's make the elaichi powder. So now it's ready. I will remove this. So almost our preparation is done. We'll just wait for the dal. Once 30 minutes it's done, we'll move to the next process. So it's been 30 minutes and our dal is completely soaked now. We'll remove the water. So I have removed almost 90% of water and I have left the 10% of water, and I have transferred it into a small bowl. We'll steam it with very less water. Here already there is some water. We'll put this bowl inside. Okay, and we'll pressure cook this. So the dal is completely cooked and I have to mash it to a fine paste. So I'm mashing it to a fine and smooth paste. So the dal is mashed now properly. we'll cook this with jaggery. So we'll transfer. This is ready. It's cooked properly now. We'll switch off. We'll add the elaichi powder. Mix it. After mixing it, we will leave it to cool down. Now this is completely cooled down. So we'll make small balls out of it. I will just grease my hand with little bit of ghee and we'll make small balls. So we had made these balls. Similarly, we'll make balls for the roti. Ta-da! So our puran polis are ready and it smells awesome. The ghee, the good, really it's smelling very nice, and this is all dedicated to the birthday boy. Papa, this is for you and many happy returns of the day. And I also want to share something in Gujarati. Janma દિવસની ખૂબ શુભકામનાઓ. ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના કરીશ કે તમારી તબિયત સારી રહે, ખૂબ ખુશ અને હસતા રહો. See the hot ghee dripping out. Okay, So this is how it is looking from inside. And I hope it will be tasty also. Many happy returns of the day, Papa. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. So friends, that's all for today video. You must have enjoyed watching me making Puran Puli for the first time in a Gujarati style. See you in my next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends. Please let me know in the comment section what you like the best, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified. Till then, let's live, connect and grow. Bye.